My name is Vanessa, and I will be reading today's prayer of the day. Sit back, relax, and I will read today's prayer to you. Okay, here's today's prayer, and it says, I will walk by faith even when I cannot see. It's 2 Corinthians 5:7. So we're going to go into chapter 5, and we're going to read verse 7. For we live by believing and not by seeing. And I also have another one that states, now he who has prepared us for this very thing is God, who also has given us the Spirit as a guarantee. That's also 2 Corinthians. Okay, so again, this is today's prayer, and it reads, I will walk by faith even when I cannot see. 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 7. Now, I will say this in closing. Dear Lord, please send prayers to those in need. Please be blessed, take care, be safe. See you back here tomorrow for another prayer of the day. Sending love and prayers to all. Bye for now.